Hey everybody, it's Snow Bob Ice Pants! Looks like Patrick wants to know what's the scoop. We could use all this to make a sundae. But SpongeBob should go back to the water. I think we accidentally invited all of Bikini Bottom over. But it's no fun just standing around in the sand. Why don't we make you something really fun? We'll make you a fun slide, complete with your faces on top. Let's add on a little stairway to heaven. Let's have SpongeBob and Patrick try each other's slides. Something tells me that they liked it. Let's go again. Ooh, looks like Sandy Cheeks wants to try. But our karate-chopping Aquanaut wants a real challenge. We'll build you a slide with levels. And seashells. But it needs something else.
What?
Wormy! You can help us.
Ew.
But there's always room for growth. Aw, they grow up so fast, don't they? And just look at how stretchy you are. That'll come in handy. Don't forget something to help Sandy climb up. I mean, she's a squirrel. Climbing's in her nature. Of course, what goes up has got to come down. Wow, the pool's really fun. It's also a jacuzzi? Wait, something tells me we're gonna have to clean the pool.
What?
But first, we should make something to help Patrick out. Let's just say Patrick's the Starfish King. Because it looks like we're building him a throne. Of course, he'll want to have something soft for the seat. Step on up, Patrick. It's our brand new water closet. And it looks like our shining star's the first customer. Uh-oh! Go away, angry cloud. Let's hope he doesn't bring friends. You know, you'd think the weather would be nice underwater. Well, no cloud can rain on our parade or next crafting project. Not sure what it is exactly, but it involves rocks. Add color. And give it a good shake. Now that's an improvement. We'll need more liquid. Oh, thank you, Squidward. Fill her up. Now these bottles could use a little makeover. Complete with straws. And a new clay cover. You know, Squidward helped us, so let's give back. Doesn't this look familiar? It's his house. Add some sand and more rocks to help it blend in. Step on it, Squidward. Try our new outdoor shower. Ooh, jellyfishing! SpongeBob and Patrick's favorite. Did you guys forget to bring your net? A hook? Mr. Krabs warned us about you. But maybe we could still put it to good use. Cover it up with twine and add a net. Soon, we'll be able to scoop these jellies on their way. Here, why don't we take you to meet some new friends? And I think we can draw up some snacks for you guys.
What?
Wow, I guess there really is a chicken of the sea. Ooh, an egg. But it could use a splash of blue. Heard of a sky full of stars? Well, how about a sea? And we've got the perfect arch for it. Add some corner coral. Here, guys, now you can see all your friends from a safe distance. Of course, sometimes it really is best to reach out. Don't be naughty, Gary. SpongeBob's collecting those bottle caps. Besides, it's more fun to make it into our own Ferris wheel. But we should really make something to stand it up. 'Cause otherwise, it'll just be a pinwheel. Grab a flip-flop. Let's just say I've got an idea. And I think it will really help Gary learn to like bottle caps. Bring them together. And Gary's our brand new water wheel. Now who says that snails are slow? See? I told you Gary would like it. Ooh, SpongeBob and Patrick are hungry. 3 a.m. already? Don't worry, and it looks like sponges have got to stick together. In fact, everything's just a little bit better when it's a sponge. Like our handy new burger vending machine. Which means we're gonna need some tiny patties. Of course, our sponge chef should really dress for the job. Here, SpongeBob, wanna try our maiden patty? Don't worry, Patrick won't be too far behind. Ooh, he's thirsty, but you can't drink pool water. We could whip you up a pink lemonade stand. Then again, variety is the spice of life. So why don't we include a whole bunch of flavors? Grape, strawberry, apple, and orange. That drink already looks pretty solid. But drinks reach room temperature sooner than you think. And ice machines always end up paying for themselves. Here, Patrick, have something to wet your whistle. Gary's getting his slime everywhere. Among other things. Besides, colored clay can be put to better use. Just look at all the different shapes you can make. Hold on a second. Is this the secret formula? At this point, I say we should just let Plankton have it. Ooh, a reconstructed Krabby Patty. Fancy. You know, making patties sure is hungry work. Wait, this isn't a regular eating patty. We're making a Krabby Patty carousel. Hey, look, a sea bottle. Must be from one of those sea cows. But save the bottle, paint it, and slice it up. From this angle, it kind of looks like sashimi. A worm. And I guess Patrick's not afraid of hooks. Just stay away from tuna cans. Or mayonnaise. Looks like we're sewing this fish back together. So eyes are appreciated. And you can't see without light. And soon, you'll help light up all of Bikini Bottom. Wow! We've got a whole underwater amusement park! Something tells me Glove World's got some serious competition. And all of Bikini Bottom is here for the grand opening. As SpongeBob would put it, it's the best day ever!